In this classroom, you have a Wacom tablet as your computer monitor. It is a touchscreen, and you can either use your finger or the provided stylus to select items on the screen. You can also use the stylus to write. To use this feature, you open up the software of your choice, such as Microsoft Word or PowerPoint. Select the color you would like to use and use the stylus to write on the screen. To erase, you flip the stylus over and use the other end. If the stylus is not working properly, it may need to be calibrated. To calibrate the stylus, click on the Windows icon and find the icon that says Wacom Tablet Properties. Once you've opened this, click the tab that says Calibrate and follow the instructions. It will have you press the stylus to the marked spots on the screen. The stylus is a Wacom branded stylus and works specifically with this tablet. Be sure to put it back in its holder when you have finished class. The monitor is also adjustable. You can move it back and forth, sit it upright, or lay it down to assume a more comfortable writing position. Other than that, the monitor functions as a regular computer, and you can use it, the mouse, and keyboard as you see fit.